Hey everybody. Hi guys. Hey again. It's Chelsea, Children's Services Assistant, Clearview Library District. It is the month of October and it is my favorite time of year. It's fall, it's getting cooler, the days are getting shorter. It's harvest time. We've got the corn and the sunflowers and the pumpkin. Okay. So our family cooking challenge for the month of October is pumpkin, and you guys got a can of pumpkin in there. And I hope that you've picked up your kits. And yes, so take that can of pumpkin and make something delicious, savory, sweet, however you want to do it. The challenge is to get into the kitchen and cook as a family. So come up with a cool recipe. Snap a picture of it, send it to us. Here's the change though. We need you to start sending your submissions to Heather, Heather, at clearviewlibrary.org. Heather at clearviewlibrary.org. It's on the front of your kit. It's on the website. It's in the email. So just send it to Heather. She's going to pick the winners from now on. But yes, pumpkin spice, pumpkin clove, pumpkin. There's so many things that you can do with pumpkin. So we wanted to see what you guys come up with and what you get creative with for this family cooking challenge for October. It's Halloween. Go out, get some pumpkin, create something yummy, and send it to us. And we can't wait to see your submissions. So it is Friday, October 1st. You have 2 weeks. So you have until Friday the 15th to send those in and send them to Heather, and she will pick the winner. And I hope that you guys are doing well and that your fall is going wonderfully. And we will see you guys around. Thanks so much.